So it's been about an hour since I last filmed. Sun's starting to go down now, so it is getting pretty dark, but the water is coming up higher. Let's climb up on the truck and have a better look. That's bloody high tide. Pelican National Park.
How damn good it needs to be.
Oh, she's deep. Woo. Trees come down, brother. Here we go. It's just insane. The whole property right now is completely waterlogged from the rain that we've had over the past month. So this whole wetlands area through here, before you come onto my property, it's about to go under. Just the force of that water going underneath this bridge. It's just getting sucked under. This is only an old bridge. It's just, there's only timber logs and stuff under here, so this might not be good. Don't even know if I'm going to be able to get past down through here. Like, this is pretty bad on a good day, but today I think it's like down through there on a good day is still pretty deep. It's at least up to halfway up the doors. So I don't think we're going to be able to go around the boundary. I think I'm going to end up getting stuck in the Polaris, which I don't really want to do. It's starting to rain again. This is just insane. I'm a little bit worried that if I got 4 days of this to come, that I might be stuck here for a while. Got some more water across the track here. This section here is always sketchy because the Polaris always wants to slide into the dam here. Oh shit. Completely flooded down the back down here. Just wondering if the Polaris will be able to get through there. She should be able to get through. Let's see how we go. Put her in 4-wheel drive. The exhaust definitely went under. Here we go. Oh, she's deep. Woo! Lucky that air intake's pretty high. So we just brought the truck down here. Got it sitting on the bridge. See all this water in here starting to build now. It's just lapping at the other edge under here underneath the road. Polaris down here. Sun's starting to go down now, so it is getting pretty dark, but the water is coming up higher. Climb up on the truck and have a better look. So I'd say by about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight, the water will be over the edge of the bridge here and starting to lap against the truck. Got the laser lamps on this big girl. A nice amount of light in each corner. Super bright, so they should light up this whole area tonight. Just shut the truck off. So at this stage I'm praying that the rain stops now. It's just kind of overcast. We haven't had as heavy as showers as we did yesterday. The trouble is I think this water is going to keep still rising through this wetlands, and yeah, so just don't want this bridge to go under. It's my biggest worry. Bloody put the kayak in. Put the kayak in and just go down through all the trees and see where you end up. This bridge is probably the main one I'm worried about. It's not looking good for this bridge at the moment. Righto, so I'm just filming with my phone. I didn't really expect it to be this flooded down near the lake. I have a foot spa. So these Polarises come standard with a foot spa if you want one. So I just can't go any higher than just here with the water, or it'll go into the belt. So I just think that I'm getting a little bit too deep in here right now. My floors are filling up. This is crazy. So like, you've probably seen stories before, but like down along the edge here, like it's usually like It's like a meter deeper than normal right now. This is all normally sand through here, through this section. It's insane. The Polaris is bubbling. Whole joint completely flooded. Oh, stick in me door. Foot spa. Trying to drain me water. I can't really go much deeper in the Polaris because if that air inlet just there gets water, I can come up a little bit more, but I can't really go any deeper through this section. I just went for a drive up there towards where the little ramp and that is on the boat ramp, but all these logs and stuff just floating around, so I really don't want to do any damage underneath the Polaris. So yeah, I'm having quite the afternoon, but I'm going to keep monitoring this bloody rain event, and if it starts to get even more hectic than what it already is, I'll definitely, yeah, post up again about this. So anyway, guys, till the next one. keep your toes pretty in your foot spa. See yous. It's insane.